Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Transitioning from front-end to back-end development can be an exciting journey, as it allows you to expand your skills and understanding of how web applications function as a whole. Below, I'll provide an informative tutorial on making this transition, including key concepts, technologies, and a simple code example to help you get started. Understanding the basics. 1. Front-end versus back-end. Front-end, this is the part of web development that deals with the user interface and user experience. Technologies typically include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, or vue.js. Backend, this involves server-side development, focusing on databases, server logic, and authentication. Common technologies include node.js, Python, with Flask or Django, Ruby, with Rails, Java, with Spring, and PHP. 2 key concepts. Server, a machine or program that listens for requests and serves responses. Database, a structured set of data that can be accessed or modified, example MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. API, application programming interface, a set of rules that allows different software entities to communicate. RESTful services, an architectural style for designing networked applications. It relies on stateless, client-server communication. Tools and technologies. 1. Programming languages. JavaScript, node.js. If you're already familiar with JavaScript from the front end, transitioning to backend using node.js can be seamless. Python, known for its readability and simplicity, popular frameworks include Flask, lightweight, and Django, full-featured. Java, strongly typed and widely used in enterprise solutions. 2. Databases. SQL databases, example MySQL, PostgreSQL, use structured query language for data management. NoSQL databases, example MongoDB, are more flexible with unstructured data. 3. Frameworks. Express.js, a minimal and flexible node.js web application framework. Flask/Django, Python frameworks that facilitate building web applications. 4. Version control, Git is essential for managing code changes. A simple backend example with node.js and Express. Let's create a simple RESTful API using node.js and Express. This example will demonstrate how to set up a basic backend that can handle CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations. Step 1. Set up your environment. 1. Install node.js. If you haven't installed node.js, download it from nodejs.org, https://nodejs.org. 2. Create a new directory. 3. Initialize a new node.js project. 4. Install Express. Step 2. Create a simple Express server. Create a file named server.js. Step 3. Run your server. In your terminal, run. You should see a message indicating that the server is running. Step 4. Testing your API. You can use a tool like Postman or curl to test your API. 1. Create an item. Post to http://localhost 3000/items with JSON body. 2. Get all items. Get http://localhost 3000/items. 3. Update an item. Put to http://localhost 3000/items/0 with JSON body. 4. Delete an item. Delete http://localhost 3000/items/0. Conclusion. Transitioning from front-end to back-end development involves learning new languages, frameworks, and concepts. This simple example demonstrates how to set up a basic RESTful API using node.js and Express. As you progress, consider exploring databases, authentication, and deployment strategies. Next steps. 1. Learn about databases. Try integrating MongoDB or PostgreSQL into your application. 2. Authentication. Implement user authentication using JWT or sessions. 3. Deployment. Learn how to deploy your application on platforms like Heroku, AWS, or DigitalOcean. 4. Expand your knowledge. Explore additional backend frameworks in languages you are interested in. By embracing these concepts and practices, you can successfully transition into backend development.